Alright, welcome back. Let's do Framing a House Part 3. Pardon me, dialect. I'm just practicing speaking different. In case someday I'm an actor and I need to be able to speak in some kind of other dialect. So I'm going to rename this Part 3. And I don't need the word copy of. Oop, what happened there? Backspace. Enter. Alright, so now I guess I've decided I'm going to make this be like vaulted ceilings. I'm going to drop the work plane back down here back to normal. And in the last video, we built some beams going across, and then we built this to hold it up so it wasn't ridiculously just floating. Alright, so now I think I'm going to bring that work plane right back, set it right there, and bring me old friend the red cube back to the scene. I'm going to go with 1. Looks like it's already there. 1 by 3. I want it to be. Oh, wait. I'd rather this side be. I want this side to be 1. And hit F to get a better look at it. And then this side here. Wait a minute. I want it to be 3 that way. Yeah. 1 that way and 3. Or maybe you should do 2. We're going to use like a smaller piece of wood, a 2x4. Okay, so we're just going to park it right there in the right spot. Okay, now back away, and then we'll place it like out this way a bit. Going to go do. Maybe it'll be right above this one, so it'll be strong. And we bring it up into the sky, not too far. There. And now I'll do a copy, Control D, arrow key to the right. And then we'll do the old adjustment. And then we'll just do Control D. It'll give us another one. Looks like we're off the screen. I'm going to hit backspace to get rid of it. Alright, so now this one and that one, I'm going to go Control D, and I'm going to reverse them, reflect them. There we go. Boom. Now I'm going to arrow key to the left, but I'm going to hold shift so it jumps faster. Hit F so it teleports me over there. I'm just going to go until it's just about in the right spot. There we go. That looks about right. Now, while I'm holding shift, I've already got these. Actually, let me just show you how to do this. If I let go and then I click this, if I hold shift, it'll let me keep selecting. And then I can go Control D. And then I'm going to go like so I can arrow key them across the screen. And I'm going to keep following them. But I'm going to hold shift when I arrow key so they jump bigger jumps. And I'm going to hit F and Control arrow key up. And now F. And looks like they might be just about in the right spot. Maybe one more click. One more arrow key down. Boom. Now they're in the right spots. And is that lining up? Oh, I don't like how that looks. It needs to make sense like it's touching something. Can't just be floating. What am I going to do? Well, I suppose I could arrow key it to the right. I do like that it's flush up against the outer edge there, but maybe that's just asking too much. I suppose I could move all the rafters over. That wouldn't be that hard. Yeah, I think I'll do that. I'm going to bring this back out, and then let's see how hard it would be to select all these rafters. Really, I just need to select right here, just like this. And that grabs all those. And then I need to go right here and just go like this. I'm going to hold shift when I do it. So now I've got all those. And gosh, I probably need to also move those other ones too. But anyways, what I'm going to do, I'm going to eyeball this. I'm going to go left arrow key. There, now it's touching. That board is touching that. So I just need to extend this out. I'll zoom in. Not too far. I'll zoom in, click on this board, or just grab, there we go, it's already clicked on. And did I go too far? Let's see. Yeah, I went too far. Stop right there. Now I need to do the same thing for the other one. That one right there. Oops. There, I have the red one. And is that too far? It is too far. There. Back up. All right. Realize that I might be demonstrating professional techniques here, but that's what this is for people to learn. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to go 1, 2, and there, now it's nice and flush. All right, so now is it still flush on the other side? I think I'm going to click out here and just hit F so I can fly out here, and now I'll go see how this is doing. Ooh, I almost got there. Darn. That's a real problem. It's only a problem if I believe it's a problem. Maybe I'm going to double up. Yeah, I'll do that. I'm going to click, and then I'll hit Control D and just move it over. So they've been doubled up. You know, carpenters must do that from time to time, just nail them together. And then this is sticking out, so I need to shorten it. Wonder if I ruined anything else about it. No, probably not. Now I just need to do the same thing right here. Move over there, grab that, move it back 1. All right. Now we need to fly over to the other side and turn it, click on it, scoot it up underneath. There. All right. Now, F. So there's our supports for the rafters. Now, what would we do next? I'm not sure. Should we put some sheaves on top? That wouldn't be too hard. We could do that rather quickly. I'm going to move the work plane so it's on top, like the roof. And then I will drag a square, and we'll just make it really long and really wide and not very tall, not very thick. Yeah, grab that, bring it down, grab this, bring it over, and then bring this up to the top, tippy top. Yeah, so now we've got it's like a real roof. I wonder if I should make this shorter. Whoops. It did. It went to 0.1. Is that too skinny? Let's go back to 1. And just go 1. That makes it easy. And now, is this positioned right for that? Should I scoot it back 1? No, it should be about right there. Now I'm going to want to copy it, but how's it going to? I think I should put the work plane down here first. And then when I copy this and reflect it, it'll fly across the other side. Yeah, with respect to the flat work plane. So I'm going to click this, hit Control D, and then I'm going to reflect it like so. I'll click right here, and then I'll go arrow key with shift, and arrow key left. Perfect, right there. Now we got a roof on it. I wonder if I should have planned for a chimney. I could still put a chimney in. Yeah, we can still do that. Alright, now let me put the work plane back to normal. I rather like this project, and I even think I want to put siding on it. It's gonna look professional. Somebody will hire me to make him a 3D house. I'll be a designer. Okay, we'll save it for the next video. Goodbye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.